If you are having trouble generating money online and you've been watching endless amounts of videos on how to make money online, today is your lucky day because I'm going to show you something that I recently discovered that will help you, and this works 100%. After discovering that this strategy is effective, I instantly thought of creating a video about it so that I could share it with you. I hope you enjoy it, and I believe that it is by far the most straightforward method of earning money online. Look at my earnings from this strategy, which I will share with you in today's video. Although I was only working on this task for a brief length of time, I was able to generate this amount of money. You can view all of the payments that have been made to my account right here. And in this video, I'll demonstrate how you can earn money in the same way. Let me just tell you that this method today does not require a specific set of skills or experiences. All you need is your laptop or phone and you are good to go. This is also available to be done by everyone around the world. There are no restrictions on which specific countries can do this. And most of all, this method is completely free. You do not need any initial payments or monthly subscriptions to start off. Imagine earning money for free. However, you still have to devote some of your time and effort to do this method and earn money. Yes, it is free, but effort is required. Oh, let me just tell you that you won't be a millionaire overnight just by doing this method. It will not replace your day job, and you need to put in continuous effort in order for this method to work. This method can help you earn extra from what you are earning right now. It will not make you a millionaire, but it can help you with your day-to-day expenses. Now that's all out of the way, all you have to do now is sit back, relax, and grab a beverage and pay close attention to this video. Because if you miss even one part of this video, then you will not be able to successfully make money when it is your time to do it. So watch carefully. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. So in this video, I will be showing you how to earn money by using a website called creativelive.com. For the very first time on my channel, I'm going to discuss this particular website. And in general, this website provides a variety of classes to those who desire to learn something new online. But don't worry, you won't be enrolling as a student on this website because I've discovered a more efficient method to make money from it. Also, I'll share some information with you in this video. People who wish to learn anything can actually subscribe to this website and have access to over 2,000 classes given by some of the world's leading professionals. They have a large number of lessons available on their website, and anyone can take advantage of them 24/7. One of the best things about this website is that you can actually download the videos and watch them offline. This is perfect for people who are busy or out of town because they can still watch and learn by downloading the videos of the classes. These are some of the classes that they offer on this website. As you can see here, they have classes for photos and videos, self-improvement, lighting, portrait, money and finance, graphic design, and more. You may see all of the classes by clicking on the link that says See All Classes right here. And then you will be led to this page where they list down all of the classes that are currently accessible for viewing. They offer a large number of classes that anyone may watch. You could be wondering right now how much money we can make from this website. We'll tell you right now, you may actually earn anything from $378 to $545. You can actually make this money passively, which means that you will only need to set up the process once, after which you can just sit back and wait for the money to roll in. What a fantastic opportunity! On this part of the website, you can see how many people are actively using this website at the moment. As of the moment, there are 10 million people using this website to learn new skills. You can see a world map right here, which indicates the number of users on this website and where they are located. Now you can see that this is available worldwide, which is really great. That's a significant number of people, which means you have the potential to generate a significant amount of money from it. Because I'll be showing you some special bonus tips that you can get only by watching my video. I strongly encourage you to watch this video till the end. The tips that I'm going to share with you aren't something that many people are aware of, so you are extremely lucky to be watching this video today. Affiliate marketing is one of the ways which we can make money from this website. How this works is, well, we encourage other people to sign up for this website. After then, we will receive a commission for any new user that signs up using our affiliate link. This is basically a win-win situation for you and the person who will click your affiliate link, since they will be able to learn things from this website and you will receive your commissions when they join. There is no need to be concerned because users do not have to pay a lot of money to join, because they can sign up for as little as $12.42, and they will already have access to a large number of classes through the use of this site. Your earning potential on this website is limitless, and as stated earlier, in order to begin, you do not need to put any of your hard-earned money into it at all. It is essentially free. How to get your own affiliate link will be shown later on this video, and where you might be able to share that link so that a large number of people would see it and click on it, and in addition, you will receive your affiliate commissions. Now, I'll walk you through the process of becoming an affiliate on this website, and I really want you to pay attention to this part because I'll be teaching you how to do it in real time. This is an important step since there are some individuals who miss it and end up not earning any money at all, and I don't want that to happen to you. So watch carefully and take some notes. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now let's get back to the video. In order to begin earning money as an affiliate, you must first sign up. In order to become an affiliate, you must first scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and then click on the link that says Become an Affiliate. You will be taken to the affiliate program page of this website. As we continue to scroll down, you'll notice that they split 30% of the sales from new clients with you. One of the good things about their affiliate program is you can actually watch your earnings in real time, and they will also provide you with some sophisticated reporting tools. Another feature of this affiliate program that I appreciate is that you may still earn commissions on all the purchases by the referred customers within 30 days of the original click. Even if the person who clicked on your link did not make a purchase from their website right immediately, you can still earn money if they decide to make a purchase within 30 days after clicking your link. You could be under the impression that a 30% commission is not a significant amount, but allow me to demonstrate something to you. If a person avails of this class, which costs $49, he will get 30% of the total cost. And that would be something in the neighborhood of $15. So you now have $15 in your bank account as a result of this transaction. So simple, right? Consider the possibility that a large number of people really click on your affiliate link. That represents a significant amount of commission into your account. So if you want to join their affiliate program, all that is required is for you to click this sign up button right here. You will be redirected to this website where you may register as an affiliate. Let me just emphasize that this is completely free. That is, you do not need to pay anything to sign up for a free account, and that is no catch. On this page, you may learn more about their affiliate program, which is a great resource. And I'll leave it to you to read this information. To proceed with the registration, simply enter your personal information into the appropriate fields. And once you've finished doing that, simply click on this button to move on to the following step. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you can begin to share your affiliate links to others in order to earn affiliate commissions from their purchases. Now on to the next part, sharing your affiliate links to other people. As stated at the start of the video, I will now be sharing some websites where you can share your affiliate link. The first website that I'll be showing to you is twitter.com, which most of you are already familiar with. All you have to do is log into your account or sign up for a free account if you don't have one yet. Once you have done that, the next thing that you should do is locate the Twitter search bar and search for something like how to edit using Adobe Photoshop or any related topics. Now just hit search and Twitter will show you related results. And all you have to do is click on them to start a conversation with a person. Once you've established a trust with the individual, you may lead them to creativelive.com through the use of your affiliate link. Quora.com is the second website. This is a website where individuals may come and ask questions about various topics. Consequently, in the search box, you can just search for the same topic that you look for on Twitter and then simply interact with any of the questions that were raised, directing people to the Creative Live website through your affiliate link. That brings us to the last website where you can acquire a lot of traffic, which happens to be something that you virtually use every day: Facebook. You may search for the graphic design once you've signed into your account by typing it into the search box and press search. When you limit your search results and pick groups, you will be able to notice that there are a large number of Facebook groups dedicated to graphic design. Simply join these groups and begin talking with the members. If they express an interest in learning more about graphic design, tell them to visit Creative Live and provide them with your affiliate link to make a purchase. That demonstrates how simple it is to make money using Creative Live website. You may want to repeat this process indefinitely until you get the earnings that you desire. And that's all there is to it. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.